Hi Chem World. Today we will be making a homemade lava lamp. To do so, we need warm water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, food coloring, we're going with blue, a water bottle filled with vegetable oil.
So first thing we're going to do is we need to fill a water bottle or a flask most of the way with vegetable oil, which we've already done. Next step is to fill the rest of it up with some warm water. Should be good. Then you're going to add a few drops of the food coloring of your choice. Should I add one? Lots of drops. Perfect. And then you take one of your Alka-Seltzer tabs and crush that all up. And then you open it. And you drop a few in and watch your lava lamp erupt.
To keep the activity in our lava lamp alive, add more tablets.
So what actually happened and what was the science behind this? So density is the measurement of how compact a substance is. It's how much of it can fit in a given space. So if you measure an equal amount of volume of oil and water, you'll find that the water is heavier than the same amount of oil. So this is because molecules are packed more tightly in a cup of water than they are in a cup of oil. Because water is more dense than oil, it's going to sink to the bottom when the two are put in the same container. So density is affected by temperature, and the hotter the liquid is, the less dense it will be. So that's why we use warm water.
Even though they have different densities, oil and water would eventually mix if it weren't for the polarity. Water molecules are polar because they have a lopsided electrical charge that attracts other atoms. The end of the water molecule that has the hydrogen atoms is positively charged. The end with the oxygen atoms is negatively charged. One positively charged end of one molecule attracts the negative end of another molecule. Oil molecules, however, are nonpolar. They don't have a positive or negative charge, so they are not attracted to water molecules. This is why oil and water do not mix.
Real lava lamps use polar and nonpolar liquid just like we did in our homemade one. In the real one, however, the densities of the liquids are much closer together than the vegetable oil and the water. Instead of using a light in our homemade lava lamp, we used Alka-Seltzer to power the lamp. The Alka-Seltzers react with the water to produce carbon dioxide bubbles. These stick to water droplets. The water-gas combo is less dense than the oil, so they rise to the top of the bottle. At the top of the bottle, the bubbles pop and escape in air, allowing the dense water to sink right back to the bottom again.
Thanks for watching our video!